GST Act Key Terms. Definition and Meaning, Part 4. 31. B2B versus B2C under GST. What's the difference between B2B and B2C in GST? B2B means business to business. Both buyer and seller have GSTIN. B2C is business to consumer. The buyer is unregistered. Does it affect invoicing? Yes. In B2B, you must mention the buyer's GSTIN and upload in GSTR-1. In B2C, you don't. Any tax difference? Tax rates are same, but B2B allows ITC, B2C doesn't. 32. GSTR-1 versus GSTR-3B. What's the difference between GSTR-1 and GSTR-3B? GSTR-1 shows your detailed outward supplies, invoice-wise. GSTR-3B is a summary return where you pay the actual tax. Which comes first? GSTR-1. You declare sales first, then pay in 3B. What if I skip GSTR-1? Your buyer can't claim ITC, and you may face notices. 33. GSTR-9, Annual Return. What is GSTR-9? It's the annual summary of all your GST returns for the financial year. Who has to file it? All regular taxpayers with turnover above Rs 2 crore must file it. Below that, it's optional. When's the due date? Usually the 31st of December following the end of the financial year. 34. GST Refund. How does the GST refund process work? If you paid extra tax or have unused ITC, like in exports, you can apply for a refund using Form RFD-01. Any time limit? Yes, you must apply within 2 years from the relevant date. What if there's delay? You may lose the refund or face queries from the department. 35. QRMP Scheme. What is QRMP in GST? It stands for Quarterly Return Monthly Payment, meant for small taxpayers. Who can opt in? Businesses with turnover up to Rs 5 crore. How does it work? File GSTR-1 and 3B quarterly, but pay tax monthly via Shallon. 36. TCS and GST. What is TCS under GST? Tax collected at source, applies to e-commerce operators. How much is it? They collect 1% on the net value of taxable supplies made through them. Is it like TDS? Similar, but collected by platforms like Amazon, not buyers. 37. GST Compliance Rating. What is GST Compliance Rating? It's a score the government gives based on your GST behavior, like timely filing and payments. Why is it useful? High ratings build trust. Your buyers may prefer you. Is it live yet? Not officially rolled out, but it's coming. 38. Job work. What is job work in GST? It's when a registered person sends goods to another for processing, like repair, polishing, or printing. Is it a supply? No, if returned within 1 year for inputs and 3 years for capital goods. Who pays tax? If not returned in time, it's treated as a supply and tax applies. 39. E-way bill. What is an e-way bill? It's an electronic document required to move goods worth over Rs 50,000. Who generates it? The supplier, recipient, or transporter, depending on the case. Is it always needed? No, some goods and local movements are exempt. 40. GST audit. What is a GST audit? It's the examination of your GST records by tax authorities. When can they audit? Anytime within 5 years, especially if your turnover or refunds look suspicious. What should I do? Maintain books, reconcile GSTR-1, 3B, and books regularly.